Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by inspecting the space maintainer carefully. Check the band integrity, wire stability, and any cement gaps. Once you spot the problem, gather the mirror, explorer, cotton rolls, floss, etchant, bonding agent, and light cure resin. These are the essentials. Make sure the patient understands what you will do and is seated comfortably. Begin by isolating the tooth with cotton rolls and drying the area thoroughly. A dry field is critical to fix retention and to let adhesives bond properly. Now stabilize the maintainer. Gently clean away old cement and debris with the explorer and air. Avoid rocking the band to prevent distortion. Next, etch the enamel surface for about 15 seconds to increase micromechanical retention. Rinse and dry until frosty. Apply a thin layer of bonding agent and then a minimal amount of light cure resin to the band tooth interface. Seat the appliance precisely, remove excess resin with floss and an explorer, and then cure with the light for the recommended time. Complete by verifying fit and occlusion. Have the patient bite gently and inspect margins for overhangs or interference. Use a fine polishing burr or finishing strip to smooth any resin excess and confirm floss passes easily. Explain hygiene steps and advise avoiding sticky or hard foods. Schedule a review in 2 to 4 weeks to monitor retention. If mobility or discomfort continues, reassess band adaptation or consider recementation or replacement. Refer to a specialist if recurrent failure occurs or you suspect wire fatigue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.